Alrighty, this is the 28th day of September, and this is a session recap. And currently we're watching as the dollar has most likely topped out for the first part. All right. Now remember, they've already got 5 waves in here. All right. So since they have 5 waves already, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's a long 5. All right. So they got to get this money out, and this money out. So this money is coming out right now. This money, the first money over here is coming out right now. That means they're going to pop up here, either do a triple top or a head and shoulders. If they do a head and shoulders, it'll look like that, and then we'll get the turn. If it's a triple top, you're just going to have them come up and do three tops right here. All right. So don't be in a hurry here on this reversal. All right, because it's most likely got to go back up. All right. Now, all right. Now there is a possibility, because this is FOMC, that everybody got flat on all this stuff down in here. All right, so it is possible that they don't need to do that, because FOMC means everybody got flat. All right, so that's the wrinkle in this theory today. All right, MACD's making the turnover, as you can see. All right, let's go take a look at Euro. All right, so Euro went to the, as soon as it reversed with it right there, as you can see. And had a double bottom here, so they put the money in once and twice, and then they took it out here, just a double bottom, they were done. All right, so we already hit the ATR up there, and ATR in this currency is $0.65 pips. Pound dollar, same thing, went to target, no problem whatsoever here. Let me go to a 60, right there. So nothing to do, but if the dollar keeps coming down, watch for this to go up in this area up in here. All right, and ATR is pound dollar 73 pips. All right, over to dollar Swissy, can't trade it, it's too low in ATR. It's only 53 pips. It went down 53 pips easily during the night. All right, so if the dollar keeps going down, watch for this to go down. But remember, we might have a double top or a triple top, which means we'll have the same thing here. All right, so be aware of that. You do have a zero line break to the downside. All right, so I'd be real cautious of this dollar Swissy until we get the top totally in place. Dollar Swissy, by the way, has a 53 pip ATR is all. Dollar yen, right, follows the dollar typically. We're coming down, not doing much of anything right now. We got the start of a turn. All right, don't forget, as the dollar goes up, it's going to pop up here again, pull down, pop up here again. What would that end up being? A big flag at the top. Do flags work at the top? No, they don't. All right, see, so now you see why that happens. All right, we got to get out. All right, we got to go back up again. Okay, now we got to get that money out. Then we got to go back up again. Okay, now we got the money out, and now we can go. All right, does everybody see that? All right, how many times have you seen that unfold and you go, I don't know why they're doing that. That's why they're doing that. All right, okay, good. All right. So we're looking for this trade down here, looking for 148.80 right there, and we don't have 55 pips right now. That's why we can't trade it, but it has an 83 pip ATR. All right, so there we go. All right, over to Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar, it is moving up with the dollar going down. There we go. We also can't trade this right now because it's only a 53 pip ATR. All right, so I don't even have the target on. But wait for 5 o'clock. If the dollar keeps going down, it might get 55 pips up here, maybe. All right, euro yen. Easily went to target on the reversal, and now we need a pullback down in here to set a new channel to the upside. So do not be surprised if they pull us down like this and then start it up so they can get this going right here. All right, so don't be surprised. Okay, remember, this is going to be manipulated. They got to build something. All right, they already got the agenda in play. Everybody knows. Now they're waiting for them to pull it back. Once they do that, the follow-through should come in and take it into the agenda once the agenda is set. All right, so direction is probably set right now, but the agenda is not. All right, easily went to target there, as you can see, and euro yen has an ATR of 98 pips. All right, there we go. Pound yen easily went to target. We didn't have anybody trade this, which was really too bad, because we spent a lot of time yesterday on this currency talking about the fact that EJ said it was going down, but GJ says it's going up. All right, and all it was waiting for, it was in position down here so that when the dollar did go down, they could maximize the opportunity. And you can see they didn't take long to do that. 2 candles, 1, 2. There you go, right to the ATR, and then you held for the next target, which is what we do, and it went to the next target. All right, pound yen, ATR is 113 pips right now. All right, over to New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, and we're making a turn. We already hit the ATR, so nothing to do. Easily hit that. Wait for tonight now, and up in this area. But it's got a low ATR right now. It's running only 48 pips. So unless it gets up to 55 tonight, you don't have an opportunity. But that's the area you're looking for if the dollar keeps going down. All right, Aussie yen, all right, easily went to target, and then, hey, by the way, I'll give you another 40 pips, all right, so there you go. That's why you hold, all right, and there you go, all right, so we'll wait for 5 o'clock, get a new ATR. Now, the problem we're going to have here is the ATR on Aussie yen is 74 pips, which brings it outside the range, so you got to trade into the range top. That's going to be difficult, all right? Now, when you get to the ATR, you might be able to do that. Be in trade 1 here and trade 2 if you have enough room back up in here above that range, all right? You can trade to the range, but don't trade into the range, all right? Aussie yen, ATR 74 pips. So it's got a decent ATR. Over to Euro Aussie, it's just sideways here, and it's just a mess right there. So there's a strong bottom there, all right? MACD says we're going down. Now, the problem with that is that lately, last 3 months or so, the Euro Aussie has gone opposite of the dollar index, all right? Not with it. The dollar index is going down. So if it follows the previous information, we should go up. If they get back in correlation, we should go down. Which is it? We don't know yet. So make it prove it. If it's going down, it's got to take these bottoms off. All right. We don't have room to the target here, but Euro Aussie is 121 pip ATR. Pound Aussie. All right. Pound Aussie right down here, and we did take the ATR to the pip with that wick. All right. So now we're out of this wedge, which is good news. All right. So tonight, let me take this off. All right. Oh, I didn't want that off actually. All right. Remove this. All right. So tonight you're looking for down in here. Okay, it's following the dollar, pound Aussie down. All right, and that gives you a clue on that Euro Aussie right there. Pound Aussie ATR is 124 pips. All right. Euro New Zealand. All right, there we go. Right there, we're in this trade live. We're right here looking for it. Now, I finally got a green candle. Our second trade is coming in up here. Our target is up here, 77.88 right there. That's the 1270, just above the ATR. Moving our stop at the 1,000 at 7770 right there. And Euro New Zealand has an ATR of 124 pips a day. Pound New Zealand. All right, Pound New Zealand. Now, we're waiting. We have it down right now, but most likely it's making a cup and handle to the upside. So nothing to do now but wait for 5 o'clock, get a new ATR. Most likely you're going to go up. All right. So pound New Zealand is 134 pip ATR. All right. New Zealand yen. All right. Watch for the handle on that too. New Zealand yen easily went to target because it doesn't have a big ATR, 65 pips, and it puts 70 in today. See how it went to the 1,000 above the limit? That's why you hold for the 1,000 if the ATR is first. If the 1,000 is first, you hold at the 1,000 and hold for the ATR. It's very simple. Nothing to do, but tonight, here's the area right up in here for 65 pips if dollar keeps going down. And pound Swissy, you can't trade Aussie New Zealand or Aussie Swissy. They're too small ATR right now. All right, we just missed the ATR up here by about 3 pips is all right there. Pound Swissy has an ATR of just 56 pips, so it's going to be tough to trade it. All right, so remember, coming down right now. Went up last night when the dollar went up. It's coming down with the dollar going down. So watch for that to continue. If the dollar goes down, you're looking for this area down in here. All righty, there we go.